morning, first class kids. Hope you are all doing very well. With the grace of the God, even I am very well. After a long break, we are going to continue with our classes. So we have done with the lesson 1 in English. So we are still doing chapter 1 of maths. So today the concept which we are going to discuss is inside and outside. The concept is inside and outside. Very simple in Telugu, lopala, baita. Lopala, baita. Inside, lopala, outside, baita. So this concept is very important for us to learn. If you turn your textbooks to page number 58, you can see few apples. You can see few apples which are inside a basket, right? So I can see few apples which are inside the basket. I want even you to draw this because I want even you to learn how to do the drawing and all. So please draw few apples in a basket. So what are these? Now you can see that apples are inside the basket, right? The apples are inside the basket. Now I am going to draw a mango. Okay children, I am drawing a mango. Okay, can you see this mango? So this mango is outside the basket. Yes, these apples are inside the basket, whereas mango is outside the basket. So this is very simple concept. Every one of you are very familiar with this concept. I am going to show you one more example. Okay, now I have a small box and I have a marker. This marker is inside the box. This marker is inside the box, whereas this marker is outside the box. Yes children, are you getting it? This marker is inside the box, whereas this marker is outside the box. Very simple concept. Is that clear? Please copy down this drawing into your classwork. Okay. The next concept is top and bottom. The next concept is top and bottom. What is top? Top of something. Now for example, this marker is top of the board. This marker is top of the board. And this book is bottom of the board. Yes, the marker is top of the board, whereas the book is bottom of the board. Very simple. Can you see the picture in the page 59? There is a girl sliding on the slider. We can see that girl is on the top of the slider, whereas the boy is bottom of the slider. The girl is top of the slider, whereas the boy is at the bottom of the slider. So this is the concept called top and bottom. Paina, kinda. Oka vastuvu paina, oka vastuvu kinda. Don't get confused with up and down. Up and down is different. Up and down is different. But here top is top of something. Now top of board, bottom of board, top of a chair, bottom of a chair, top of a ladder, bottom of a ladder. So there is a difference between up and down, top and bottom. Now we are doing with the concept top and bottom. Now I will give you an example. Now children, this is a ladder. Ladder ante telusa nichena. This is the ladder. Okay. This is a ladder. Okay. Now this boy is on the top of the ladder. This boy is on the top of the ladder, whereas this girl is at the bottom of the ladder. This boy is on the top of the ladder, whereas this girl is at the bottom of the ladder. So this concept is called top and bottom. Hope you all understood children. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear children? Yes, good. Please copy this in your notebooks. The next concept we are dealing with is near and far. Daggara, dooram. Near ante daggara, far ante dooram. So we are dealing with near and far. Now I am nearer to the board, whereas now I am farther to the board. Children, I am near the board, but now I am very far away from the board. So this is called near and far. Take the example. Please do this drawing. This is the house. Okay, this is the house. Now this boy is near the house. This boy is near the house, right? This boy is very nearer to the house. Whereas I'll draw birds. I'll draw a sun. Okay. Now this boy is near the house, whereas the sun is very far from the house. Yes, this boy is near the house, whereas the sun is very far from the house. Did you understand? ఈ బాబు ఈ ఇంటికి చాలా దగ్గరగా ఉన్నాడు, కానీ ఈ సన్ చాలా దూరంగా ఉంది ఇంటికి. So this is called the concept of near and far. Please copy this in your classworks. Okay, the next concept is on and under. On and under. Okay, on ante paina, under ante kinda. For example, this is the book. The marker is on the book. The marker is on the book, whereas my hand is under the book. The marker is on the book, whereas my hand is under the book. అర్థమైందా మీకు? Did you get it? What is on and under? Now, if you see in the textbook page number 60, these books are on the table. These books are on the table, whereas the dustbin is under the table. These books are on the table, whereas the basket is under the table. This is the concept of on and under. I am drawing a table now. This is a table. Okay, these are all books. So these books are on the table, and whereas the basket is under the table. Okay, this is a table. So these books are on the table, whereas the basket is under the table. So this is the concept of on and under. Please copy this in your textbook, in your classworks. Okay, the next turn to the next concept, above and below. Above and below. If you see the page 60, you can see that there is a bridge and the aeroplane is above the bridge, whereas the ship is below the bridge. What is the difference between on and above? Above ante paina, ante oka object ki tagalakunda danikante paina undedi above, danikante kinda undedi below. Okay, above and below. Ikkada chudandi, there is a bridge. This is a bridge, right? This is a bridge. Ee bridge paina aeroplane undi, right? Din paina aeroplane undi. Okay, kinda boat undi. Okay, this is a bridge. So the aeroplane is above the bridge. The aeroplane is above the bridge. It is not touching the bridge. It is above the bridge. Whereas the ship is below the bridge. Even this ship is not touching the bridge. So, idi paina, idi krinda. So, it is above and below. Now, you can see this is a bridge. The aeroplane is flying above the bridge, whereas ship is sailing below the bridge. So, So this is a simple concept which you have to understand. You can see the same thing here in page number 60, second example. There is a ship going on. The birds are flying above the ship, whereas fishes are swimming below the ship. The birds are flying above the ship, whereas the fishes are swimming below the ship. So these are the examples. So today we have done with inside and outside, top and bottom, near and far, on and under, above and below. In page number 1.2, you have few exercises. I want you to do these exercises. Children, I want you to do the exercises from page number 58. The homework is from page number 60, 58, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. Yeah, till 62. Okay, you have to do the exercises which are in 58, 59, 60, 61 and 62 from your term book, from your textbook, and other all which I told you on the board you have to copy in your classwork. Okay, is that clear, children? And I am giving you this lesson today, and you have to submit everything before Thursday. You have to submit everything before Thursday. Is that clear? Hope you all understood the concepts. Tomorrow, the next class, we are doing with a new chapter, the second chapter. Is that clear? Thank you, children. God bless you.